If your Nintendo Switch is stuck on the loading screen, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue. Follow these steps to try and unlock your device. Step 1. Force restart the console. Press and hold the power button for about 12 seconds. This will force the console to shut down. Wait a few seconds, then press the power button again to turn it back on. Step 2. Check for software updates. Once the console is powered on, navigate to the home menu. Go to System Settings, then select System and choose System Update. If an update is available, download and install it to fix potential bugs. Step 3. Clear cache. To clear the cache, go to System Settings, select System, and then choose Formatting Options. From there, select Clear Cache. This can help resolve issues caused by corrupted data. Step 4. Reinsert the game card. If the issue occurs while playing a game, remove the game card from the console and inspect it for any damage or dirt. Clean it gently if needed, then reinsert it and try launching the game again. Step 5. Contact Nintendo Support. If none of the above steps work, it may be time to reach out to Nintendo Support for further assistance. They can provide additional troubleshooting steps or guide you through repair options. If your Nintendo Switch is still not functioning properly after these steps, seeking professional help is recommended.